It's often said that we live in a throwaway society. Nothing underscores that fact better than the enormous volume of solid waste, or garbage, that we dispose of every day. Municipal solid waste, or MSW, includes everything, from empty product packaging and paper to cans and bottles, food scraps, newspapers, paint, batteries. The list is endless. In 2003, Americans at home and in business threw away 236 million tons of solid waste, or about 4.5 pounds per person per day. MSW management by public works specialists helps prevent or divert materials from entering the waste stream and convert them to new uses or products. Practices include source reduction, which prevents or reduces the amount of solids from being thrown away in the first place. Like what I'm doing, by donating old clothing to charity. Other examples of source reduction include composting and making fewer paper copies of documents such as reports and memos. Recycling diverts such items as paper, glass, plastic, and metals from entering the waste stream. Recycling has become a widespread practice with homes and businesses for nearly 2 decades. Composting decomposes organic waste, such as food scraps and yard trimmings. Instead of adding to the waste stream, composting provides a humus-like substance packed with nutrients for plants and flowers. Solid waste that cannot be recycled calls for safe disposal at highly regulated landfills. Around the country, these artificial hills, called cells, disguise years of garbage. Every day, hundreds of trucks deliver thousands of tons of trash to this active cell. Meanwhile, on retired cells, a carpet of grass conceals the decomposing remains of solid waste that is decades old. And here's a bonus. The methane gas emitted by decomposition in these small mountains of waste is piped to a nearby energy plant, helping generate electricity for some 12,000 homes every day and reducing the need for coal-fueled operations by 3%. MSW technology, driven by the need for alternative fuels and the permanent disposal of solid waste, is reducing the need for landfills as well as our reliance on foreign oil.